All right, so this one we're gonna do a single hop test for distance. So the key with this one is that when you jump and you land, there should be no extra little hops or no shifting of your foot. If you do, then that's a disqualified hop. So you want to get 3 qualifying hops and just take the best of the 3 in order to just whatever is the best of the 3 is what you will use as your measurement. Now, when you land, you're gonna measure from where your toe took off to where your heel lands, okay? And for me, I have like a tape measure here, so I'm gonna use that to mark where I land. But whatever method you wanna use, if you have like a yardstick that you could use, tape measure, or even just kind of like put a pencil somewhere, have a pencil with you, maybe a few, and you could just put it right behind your heel once you land. And then at the end, you'll have two measurements, the best one for your right and the best one for your left, and you can measure how far those are apart, either using an app in your phone or a little tape measure. I think that there's a measurement app I think on the iPhone that it'll tell you how far apart things are through your camera. All right, so here I'm just going to demonstrate. So I have this little tape roll with me. So I'm on one foot. I'm right behind this tape, and hands behind my back at the level of the sacrum. Remember, no hand help for this. And then I'm just going to jump. There was a little shift on that one. So if I was being really picky, I would say that was a disqualified one. So I'm gonna go again. Okay, that one qualifies. Now I'm gonna place this piece of tape right behind my heel. Okay, and then I'm gonna go again. Let's see if I get a little further this time. Oh, that was a disqualified one. I guess that was a disqualified one. Man, this is not as easy as one would think, especially if you're trying to jump far. Oh, nice. Okay, stuck that one. Significantly better. You see how this is why you're gonna want to take 3 measurements. Then I'll go one more. Disqualified. Woo! Nice. All right. So this is the piece of tape that I would use. You know what I just realized? You want to have this end right here. You want to have that at where the back of your heel is. Of course, it's better if you have somebody else there doing this for you. But if you're doing it for yourself, just try to be as accurate, as consistent as possible. All right, so I would take these 2 out of here, and that would be my measurement for my right foot. Then once I do it for my left, hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Then once I do it for the left, then I would measure the distance between the back of this tape. Remember, it's the back of the tape, back of this tape, and the back of the second tape, and I would measure that distance. And over the course of time, we want that distance to be closer and closer. That's telling us that we have more symmetry between the two legs.